Your front windshield contains a multitude of working sensors. If not protected, this windshield can be easily damaged, resulting in high repair or replacement expenses. Even a slight crack requires windshield replacement and ADAS sensor recalibration, procedures that are costly and time-intensive. But finally, the perfect windshield protection film has arrived. An innovation for the ages. Our film is now stronger and safer than ever. This is DYNOflex, the STEK windshield film. With DYNOflex, travel the world in crystal clear protection. With its specialized surface treatment and base films, DYNOflex sets itself apart from competitors. Built for semi-permanent use, DYNOflex is crack-resistant and has the ability to self-heal scratches. Composed of highly elastic layers, DYNOflex effectively absorbs and disperses even the strongest shocks. In contrast to the long, difficult installation process required of conventional windshield films, DYNOflex is extremely easy to install thanks to its malleable design. All components of DYNOflex are engineered for maximum performance, from the outermost layer to the internal features. With DYNOflex, enjoy pleasant, worry-free driving anytime, anywhere. When subjected to an external shock, the hydrogen-bonded polyurethane pulls DYNOflex like a spring, effectively preventing damage. Constructed of durable aliphatic material, DYNOflex also boasts excellent weatherproofing. During manufacturing, elastic polyurethane is layered on top of a urethane acrylic film, providing exceptional transparency and stability. These two layers react perfectly to urethane, resulting in excellent adhesion. See everything, go everywhere. Choose DYNOflex. Perfect protection made possible.